Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today in our DIY kitchen, we will be learning how to make special burger sauce. Only 5 ingredients, 1 small bowl and a whisk is all that you need to get the special burger sauce ready. As you can see, we will be coming up with burger recipes where you will need this special burger sauce. Now let's see how to make this special burger sauce. Into a bowl, squeeze half a lemon, add a pinch of crushed peppercorn, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can check out our mayonnaise recipe at the end of this video. Add half tablespoon of red chili sauce, add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, mix these well and your special burger sauce is ready. This cannot be stored for more than 1 week. We would suggest you do prepare this as and when needed. Please check our other DIY recipes on our DIY kitchen playlist. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Do share this video link with your friends and family. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. The handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.